What's going on, guys? Here is another video, and today I'm gonna take a live trade at US 30, so the Dow Jones, and well, as always, without any delay, let's just jump right into it. This is the trade that I took, as you can see here, at around about 30 minutes ago. So depends where you are, but at my time it was around 10:30. So at the moment I'm currently a bit at a loss, but if we go to this chart here, so looking at the EMAs, this is where we broke out, or we are breaking out at the moment on the daily chart, and here is a resistance kind of level at the next EMA, which would be this one here, the 50 EMA. So chances are that we might here retest these this EMA actually. So going down on the 4-hour chart and then the 1-hour chart, we are here, or if we form here some nice support and resistance levels, we are here targeting the, what is the blue one, the 200 EMA on the 4-hour chart. So going down to the 1-hour chart, again, if we draw some lines, here is one resistance line. Here, this was the middle line that I actually was targeting. So here we broke this resistance line here because I thought we would go back and forth here for a little bit longer, because we tested it here once, fell lower twice, and here the third time was my entry, which I thought we would go lower. And at the moment we are breaking a little bit above this, or we broke above this resistance line, and I'm now at this one. So I entered somewhere around here. My stop loss is at around 870, so around this area. I mean, looking at the chart now, I guess I should have waited a little bit longer and maybe to enter here, but this would be my next option, to enter here, put a stop loss. Well, it depends, maybe again at this resistance line or at this one. So let's just quickly make two trades. The target would be the 340, 100, 3900 levels. So here is the other possible trade to take, which would be here, something like this. So here you would have a risk of 1.75 roughly, if we adjust it a little bit, and here about 4.25. So I already took the trade, as I said, as I showed you, which was here somewhere. So this is my trade, which is a risk of 1 to 2. Well, maybe I went a little bit higher. Don't know exactly where I entered, somewhere around here. So this was my trade. Let's just quickly go here, and now, so basically what I expect is to see a drop down and go lower. Of course, we can always break out and go higher. Now, taking a look at the 5-minute chart, let me quickly get rid of all of the indicators. We don't need them any longer. So what I see now is, well, let me quickly add this one, and take this CCI. So something like this. We are here kind of seeing an uptrend since yesterday. So pretty much, not exactly. 19 hours, about 19 hours where we are seeing this rally to the upside and coming closer to the resistance line. Now, on the 50-minute chart, however, the indicators are here going lower and forming lower highs. So technically, this here could turn out to be very divergent, so we would retest the lower parts, this support line here somewhere. Going back to maybe the 30-minute chart, here looks the same. 5-minute chart, we are going back and forth here, which indicates that this here, since we are trading above the 50 EMA and above the 200 EMA, there's always two possibilities. When we see something like this, it could either turn into a head and shoulders pattern and then we drop lower, or it could turn out to be the exact opposite, which means we form here kind of a straight line, and we stay above the 200 EMA here, and at the same time we form here a bullish hidden divergence where the CCI is going lower while the stock market here trades above this line, which is the support line at the 200 EMA. So and then we go higher, which would be on the 1 hour chart, something like this. Then we could go to one of these resistance lines. Well, first of all, to this one, which is here what might happen, and the next one would be this one. Of course we can go higher, but at the moment it looks to me like we will see a drop back, so this is why I shorted the market. And well, this was the analysis and the kind of prediction for the US 30 for the next 1 or 2 days, maybe next week, depends, but I'm actually waiting for a drop to the downside again. Let's just quickly go through some other, check some other time frames. 3 hour, so not much going on here as well. Well, the weekly is a little bit too big for now, but so anyway, this was the trade. So thanks for watching.